For more in-depth information on the following items, go to the video for each item. Tap on the Mobile Manager drop-down menu on the left side of the screen. The first menu item that displays is who's assigned to the tablet, otherwise known as the user selection window. Work in Progress displays the same information as the Work in Progress screen on your management system. Uses to keep track of your open estimates and work orders for your daily workflow. Inspections. Use this menu to open any current inspections that are waiting, in process, or completed. You can edit and send the inspections from the tablet from this screen also. Schedule. This menu item will display any vehicle that's still left in your schedule for today. Time Clock. This menu item allows for access to tracking technician time spent on each job that they clock in and out as they go through their day. Chat. Use this menu item to open the in-house team chat or to send an individual chat to any single individual. Settings. This menu item opens the settings screen where you can set up your tablet's overall functionality. Add information sources and connect to the shop's Wi-Fi from this screen. Mobile Manager Tablet Assignment. Each tech and service advisor should have their own tablet. Furthermore, each tablet needs to be assigned to that individual for proper communications and operation through chat. So follow these directions to assign a tablet to a person. Tap on the Mobile Manager icon on the upper left-hand side of the tablet screen to open the drop-down menu. Tap on the top menu item to open the assignment window. Tap the right side of the space to open the menu displaying all the individuals in your management system. Tap on the individual that you wish to assign to this tablet, tap OK, and save the selection. Mobile Manager Work in Progress. From the drop-down menu, select Work in Progress. You will now see a copy of your current work in progress as it should stand in your service management system. Tapping on the plus symbol on the upper right-hand side will open the Start Order window, where you can begin a new estimate or work order. A search window opens, so choose which way you want to search. Tap the arrow to the right side for the drop-down menu of searches. Search by customer name, customer phone, license, or VIN number. Tap on your preferred method of searching to select it. Fill in the appropriate information to search with. See the video for the complete process to start an RO. The magnifying glass on the upper right-hand side of the screen is a search function for the Work in Progress screen. Tap on this to search for a specific vehicle. You can search by name, RO, or estimate number, or even vehicle type. To finish and complete the search, tap the X on the lower right-hand side of the screen. The Android menu, or the three vertical dots upper right-hand side of the screen, gives you two choices in the drop-down menu. Display lets you choose how and what the Work in Progress screen displays. Selecting the checkbox in front of estimates, repair orders, or invoices will display those items in the Work in Progress screen. Deselect and they will not be shown. Sort by. Tap here to sort your work in progress in any order listed. You can use customer, vehicle, order number, order type, status, promise date, schedule date, or workflow manager. My preference is promise date. The selection will put your vehicles that you need to be done sooner at the top of your list. The display will also be affected by the time of completion for each vehicle. For example, an RO that is supposed to be completed by 3 p.m. will be higher up the list than a vehicle that's due at 5 p.m. Filter by technician. Tap here for the drop-down menu that will display all your techs. Tap on the tech whose tablet it is that he or she will see only the work that's theirs and no one else's. Tap all to see all the tech's jobs displayed on your work in progress. To open a work order in the work in progress screen, just tap once on the job to open it. For more in-depth information with working with estimates and work orders, check out the other video just for that information. Mobile Manager Inspections tab. Selecting Inspections from the Mobile Manager drop-down menu will display all the currently available inspections. Tapping on the Android three vertical dots menu on the right upper side of the screen drops down the menu with a display listed. Tap Display to open the window where you can choose how your inspections are displayed in the inspection screen. Selecting any one of these boxes will display the current inspections whether they are waiting, in progress, or completed today. Complete only shows those inspections that are finished today. The lower side of the window gives you the choice to filter the viewed inspections by all, technicians, or a single tech that you can select from the drop-down menu. Tap OK to save all your settings. To open an inspection, just tap on it and the inspection will open. Here you can view the inspection line by line and edit if needed. Once finished editing the inspection, you can tap on the share symbol in the upper right hand side of the screen to open the share window. From this window, you can share the currently open inspection by text message, and note, text messaging is the preferred method to share these inspections, email, team chat, work order note, or share via any other method that may be available on your tablet such as Google Drive. With the inspection open, tapping on the Earth icon will render a copy of the inspection in the browser on your tablet. This is the same version that customers will see on their phone when you text it to them or in an email. This rendered copy of the inspection can be used to show a customer the report right on the tablet. For example, you have a customer in the waiting room, and you can use this to discuss the findings of the inspection. Tapping on the star icon in the upper right-hand side of the screen with an inspection open will display the report card on that current inspection. Use these report cards to train your employees to make the most of each inspection. Tap OK at the bottom of the screen to return to the inspection. Tapping on the three vertical dots to the upper right-hand side of the menu screen will drop down the Pass All menu. Selecting Pass All will open a dialog box asking, "Are you sure you want to mark all the inspection items passed?" Answer yes or no, that is appropriate. Schedule. Choose Schedule from the Mobile Manager Pro drop-down menu to look at today's scheduled appointments. If there are any appointments that are scheduled in your management system calendar, they're going to appear here. These appointments can be converted into estimates with the following steps. Tap on any appointment and a dialog box opens asking, "Do you want to convert this appointment to an estimate?" Select No or Yes. If you select Yes, it will take you to the order screen in a newly created estimate, and continue to complete the estimate as you normally would. Mobile Manager Time Clock. Labor time is a crucial component of the shop's productivity. It is important to know how long a job is billed for, how long it takes for the technician to complete it, and keeping track of the shop's labor margin increases efficiency. To begin using Time Clock, tap on the Mobile Manager drop-down menu to access the Time Clock button. Clocking in. As a technician is working, you will need to be signed in as the user of the tablet. Sign in from the drop-down menu underneath the three vertical dots on the upper right side of the tablet screen. Next, open Work Order from the Work in Progress screen. Ensure that you are assigned technician for each labor operation that you'll be clocking into. Displayed in the Order tab's toolbar is the Time Clock icon. Select that icon to open the Clock In window. Check off each labor item you want to clock into from this new window. Technicians can select one or multiple labor items. Then select OK to clock in. The time clock will now begin to keep count. Clocking out. To clock out, select the Time Clock icon from the Order tab. This will open the Clock Out window, and select Yes to clock out. Note, technicians can clock in and out of a job multiple times, and the actual hours for each labor item are recalculated after each clock out. An overview of Time Clock's current usage is available from the Mobile Manager's main menu on the left side of the tablet screen. Tap to open the drop-down menu and select Time Clock for what you're looking for. Open Work Order from the Work in Progress screen. Ensure that you're assigned technician for each labor operation that you'll be clocking into. Displayed in the Order tab's toolbar is the Time Clock icon. Select that icon to open the Clock In window. Check off each labor item you want to clock into from this new window. Technicians can select one or multiple labor items. Then select OK to clock in. The time clock will now begin to keep count. Clocking out. To clock out, select the Time Clock icon from the Order tab. This will open the Clock Out window, and select Yes to clock out. Note, technicians can clock in and out of a job multiple times, and the actual hours for each labor item were recalculated after each clock out. An overview of Time Clock's current usage is available from the Mobile Manager's main menu on the left side of the tablet screen. Tap to open the drop-down menu and select Time Clock for what you're looking for. Mobile Manager Chat. Tapping Chat from the drop-down menu allows you to send team chats or individual chat right from your tablet. Tap Team Chat to send a system-wide message to everybody in the in-house Mobile Manager network. This can be used for messaging everyone in a shop for a meeting or similar event. After tapping on Team Chat, fill in the message that you wish to send to everybody, then tap the send arrow to the right side of that message line to send. Under Team Chat, you will see Individual Chat and the individuals that are available for that type of chat. Tap on the individual that you wish to chat with, type in your message, and send it by tapping the send arrow to the right side of the message line. Mobile Manager Settings. The last item on the Mobile Manager drop-down menu is Settings. Tap to open. Scan Settings Code. Your tablet needs to know how to communicate over your Wi-Fi, and these settings can change due to several reasons. So we make it easy to reconnect your tablets to the proper Wi-Fi address. On your server, PC, or computer, click on and open the Mobile Config X application. This will open a window that has a QR code for the tablet to read and set its connection automatically. On the tablet, tapping the Scan Settings Code button will turn the tablet camera on so it can read the QR code right off the PC screen and copy the right settings. The server configuration settings under the IP address and port should now match that in a window in the Mobile Configure X window on your computer. You will see a couple of messages appear at the bottom of the tablet screen as these settings are decoded and stored in the tablet. Status Automation. Here you can choose what statuses that appear as you create and work in work orders and inspections. These statuses come from your management system. Tapping the magnifying glass to the right of each line opens a menu to choose status you wish to have displayed when the above are completed. Mobile Manager Settings Part 2. Printers. In these spaces, the name of the computer that hosts your printer should be listed. Tap and input the name exactly as it appears on each computer. ProDemand ShopKey Pro. Enter your credentials for each of these here by tapping on the padlock symbol, and once entered, they will be memorized. Checking the box in front of automatically add TSBs to new work orders will make the TSBs available on each work order that you work with. SureTrack. Selecting the checkbox in front of each selection will automatically add that item to a new work order being created on the tablet. Of course, you will need to have a subscription to the service to use it. Commonly replaced components. This will list the parts to fail on that vehicle type. Common DTCs list the common codes for that vehicle type. And common symptoms list the symptoms common for that vehicle type. Repair information. Choose the repair information source that you have a license to by selecting the checkbox that you will access this information while in the vehicle tab of an estimate or RO. Barcode scanning. Select one box to have your camera light equipped device turn on its light for more accurate scanning. Read barcodes with white spaces. Select this option if having difficulty decoding barcodes with white spaces. Carfax. Use this section to opt in for using Carfax for decoding license plates. Please read the end user's agreement before opting in. Mobile Manager Order tab. Choose an estimate or RO from the Work in Progress screen by tapping on it. The screen opens directly to the Order tab on the tablet, and this displays the odometer in and out, the service writer and tech that are assigned to the current document. Also shown is the status of this document. To change any above items, just tap on the line, enter the proper data from a keyboard, or select from a drop-down menu as presented. To add labor lines to the document, tap on the plus symbol on the upper right-hand side of the screen. Choose from the Add New Item list what you wish to add to the document. To remove a labor line, tap and hold the line until the Delete Line Item window opens. Tap on Yes or No as required. To edit an existing labor line, Tap and release the line and an expanded view of that window will open. Edit the line is normally done by tapping on the line and entering your new information. When changes are completed, tap the Mobile Manager icon to close the window and go back to the order screen. Tapping on the printer icon, you can print a loop sticker, a key tag, or an invoice right from the tablet to the assigned printer. Tapping on the clock icon will allow a technician assigned to the tablet to clock in the jobs on the ticket. See the video for time clock operation for more information. Tapping on the vertical 3 dots menu on the far right of the order screen gives you access to ProDemand or SureTrack if your shop is licensed to use it. Capture signature. This allows you to get the customer's signature right on the tablet if you did the meet and greet out by the car. Have them sign with their finger and tap the disk icon to save the signature when acceptable. If not acceptable, tap the X on the upper right hand side of the screen to erase the signature and try again. Tapping on Mark Complete from the drop-down menu will open a window asking you if you wish to mark all the items on the order as complete. Choose yes or no as needed. And Refresh at the bottom of that drop-down menu has the tablet look back at the management system and display any changes that may have been made in the management system. Printer icon. With your tablet properly set up, you can tap on this icon to print a loop sticker. After entering the proper mileage, you can print a loop sticker from the tablet. A key tag. Using a printer with paper stickers, not the clear or cling type, you can print key tags as you write up the customer buy the vehicle. And if you're an estimate, a repair order, or invoice, you can print either one of those right from the tablet also just by selecting that printer tablet icon. Mobile Manager working with an estimate or RO in the order screen. To open a job from the Work in Progress screen, tap the job once. The job will expand on the screen, opening up to the order screen with the RO or estimate number displayed in the upper left-hand side of the screen. The order screen is where you input mileage in and out, service writer, tech names, and status. Also, any repair lines that are on a document will be displayed in the order screen. Order screen functions. Tap the plus symbol to open your Can Job drop-down menu. From this, Add New Item menu, choose the best list of canned jobs to help you open the proper repair lines. Here's the description for each one that is listed. Can Job Quick. These are from your Quick Jobs menu and your management system. Can Job Category. List all the jobs by category in alphabetical order from your management system. Can Job All. Your complete list of canned jobs are displayed. Can Job Used Recently. This list will fill in with the last 10 jobs used by anyone when putting together an estimate or RO in your shop. Can Job used on this year, make, and model. Can jobs will be displayed that have previously been performed on this year, make, and model vehicle, making it easier to find common jobs. Symptom. List all the symptoms that you have entered in your management system. Labor. Open a blank labor line and you can fill in yourself. Part. Opens a blank parts line for you to attach parts to the RO or estimate. Note. This opens a blank line for the additional notes on the document. Check the upper right box to have these notes printed on the order. Can Note. This gives you quick access to any notes that you may have pre-built in your management system. Mobile Manager Customer tab. Enter your basic information about your customer in this screen. Tap on each line and enter the information via keyboard or speech-to-text if supported by your tablet type. Remember that everything that you enter here will be transferred to your management system. And please note that the phone fields below copy their names from your management system, so put the phone numbers in their proper places. Tapping on the text icon, located by the upper right corner of the screen, opens a text message window with a phone number that is selected from the chosen field below. If writing up a customer for the first time using Mobile Manager, you can introduce that customer to the fact that you'll be using text to contact them about their vehicle. Send a text to the customer as you stand by their vehicle. Get the customer to place your number and your contacts on their phone so that when you send a text about their vehicle, your shop will be identified, thus urging the customer to respond quickly. And by doing this, your customer is also opting in for text from your shop. It's a win-win situation. So type in a quick note, tap the send arrow to send that message to their phone, and make it happen. Tapping on the map icon in the upper right corner of the Customer tab will open Google Maps to display the customer's address on the map. This feature is a great way to see if the customer is close enough for your shop to pick them up and drop them off. Or, if the customer needs to tow from home, you can very easily locate where they are in reference to your shop. Mobile Manager History tab. Opening the History tab will display the current vehicle service history in chronological order from the most recent to the oldest service and work. Tap on each item for more detailed information. Tapping on the magnifying glass in the upper right-hand corner allows you to search for specific things such as brakes. Tap the magnifying glass, enter what you want to find. Tap the magnifying button to the right side of the keyboard to begin the search. All the lines with your chosen word will be displayed in the field. To exit the search function, tap the X on the right side of the text line to close the search window. Mobile Manager Inspection tab. The Inspection tab is where you can add and fill out your digital inspections. When the tab is opened, any inspections related to the current vehicle will be displayed. This includes open, in process, or completed inspections. The star icon in the upper right-hand side of the screen opens the Auto Insight report card that can be used to train and monitor technician use of the inspections. See the video on Auto Insight report card for further information. The plus symbol in the upper right-hand corner opens the drop-down menu of all your current inspections that you have built or stored in Report Pro. Tap on the inspection that you wish to use. Another window will open asking you if you wish to add work order labor lines. And if you have access to SureTrack, you will be asked if you wish to put the most common vehicle issues also in your repair order or estimate. You can choose to add the lines or not by selecting yes or no. The added inspection now will open on the tablet. Tap the Mobile Manager icon to the left side of the screen to close this inspection. See the video for digital inspections for more information on completing the inspections. Inspection icons from left to right. Share. Tapping on the three connected dot icon opens the Share window. Tap on the method that you wish to use to share that completed inspection. Share via text, which is the preferred method, via email, via team chat, via work order, or note. Share via will open the other possible methods that are available on your tablet, such as Google Mail. The world icon. Tapping here will render the final copy of the current inspection in your browser on your tablet. You can use this to show a customer that is waiting the inspection right where they sit in your waiting room. You can also use this to send a copy to the customer just the same. The star icon. The star icon gives you access to the Auto Insight scorecard for the current inspection. Once you're done looking at it, tap the OK at the bottom of the scorecard to go back to the inspection. The vertical three dots icon on the right-hand side. To pass all the items on the inspection, tap here and tap the Pass All drop-down menu to pass everything in one shot. It is not recommended to do this, though in some situations where all items do pass, it is appropriate. But be sure to enter the vehicle information on each line of the inspection when this option is used. At the bottom of the inspection page, you will see the vehicle health gauge fill as you complete the inspection. The gauge will show the balance between the red, yellow, and green lines chosen during the inspection.